In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance voice in Canva. If you've got a clip where the dialogue sounds a little muffled or gets lost under background noise, Canva's built-in Enhance Voice feature can help bring that speech forward so it's clearer and easier to understand. This is quick, simple, and happens right inside your existing project, so you don't need any extra plugins or audio software. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor so you're looking at your design and timeline. From here, make sure you select something that actually contains audio. That could be a standalone audio track, like narration or music, or a video clip that includes recorded sound. Click directly on the element you want to improve so it's highlighted. Selecting the right element matters, because the audio tools only appear when Canva knows which piece of media you're working on. Once that element is selected, look toward the top of the editor. You'll see a context-aware toolbar that changes based on what you've clicked. On videos, this includes an Audio Tools option. Go ahead and click Audio Tools. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that your video or audio track is selected and that you're in the main editor view. Inside Audio Tools, you'll find the Enhance Voice option. Click Enhance Voice and let Canva process the audio. You'll usually see a brief indicator while it analyzes and improves the sound. The processing time depends on the length and complexity of the selected clip, so shorter clips tend to finish quickly. During this moment, just hold tight and keep the element selected. When the processing completes, the enhancement is applied to that element. The intention here is to make spoken words sound cleaner by reducing background distractions and balancing the levels so the voice is more prominent. If your clip is mostly music or ambient sounds without speech, the change may be subtle. On the other hand, clips with clear dialogue should become noticeably easier to follow. And that's it. There's no complicated setup, no manual tweaking, and no extra steps. You went into your project, clicked the element with audio, opened the audio tools from the toolbar, chose Enhance Voice, waited a moment, and you're done. Remember, this feature is designed to clarify speech, not to rewrite your audio or strip out all background sounds. Think of it as a smart polish that helps your message stand out. Give it a try on the clip that needs the most clarity, and enjoy a cleaner, more professional sound right inside Canva.